In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitwarden on your Android device. This will be a straightforward guide to help you safely and efficiently manage your passwords. Let's get started. First, you'll want to visit the official Bitwarden website. It's essential to ensure you're using the correct site for security reasons. So please type Bitwarden into your browser's search bar and click on the official link. As you do this, you're entering a world of secure password management, trusted by countless users worldwide. Once you're on the home page, glance over the various features Bitwarden offers. It truly stands out as the best password manager for personal, business, and enterprise use. Next, you'll need to log in. Direct yourself to the login page by clicking on the Login tab, which is usually prominently displayed at the top right corner of the web page. This is where you'll input your login credentials, assuming you already have an account. If not, consider creating one for free to get started on securing your passwords immediately. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your Bitwarden vault. This is where your stored passwords are kept safely encrypted. It's quite straightforward to navigate, with options to add new items, organize existing ones, and note any login details. Familiarize yourself with this vault, as it will be your central hub for managing passwords across various sites and services. Now, let's shift our attention to getting Bitwarden on your Android device. Head back to the Bitwarden site and navigate to the download section. This is crucial for those who prefer to manage passwords directly from their mobile device, offering on-the-go convenience. Once in the download area, locate and click on Mobile. This will bring you to a page dedicated to mobile applications, providing options for various operating systems. Look for the Android download link here and tap on it. Finally, after clicking on Mobile Applications, follow the link to the Google Play Store. From here, you can download the Bitwarden app directly to your device. Once installed, open the application and log in using the credentials you've set up earlier. You'll find the interface user-friendly, with intuitive features that mimic those found in the desktop version. Enjoy exploring functionalities like secure password generation, autofill capabilities, and secure notes. And there you have it, a succinct yet comprehensive guide to using Bitwarden on your Android device. By following these steps, you're setting up a robust layer of security for your digital life. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, when it comes to your digital security, every layer helps. Enjoy using Bitwarden with peace of mind, knowing your passwords are protected.